Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today I'll be making vegetable rice. I've already boiled my rice. It is cooked, and from here I have grinded ginger and garlic. I've mixed it. I will be using onions, the red onions, and these are the spring onions. I'll be using the green peas, and then here I have carrot and courgettes, and then here it's a mixture of green, red, and yellow bell pepper. And from here, what I'll do, I'll start first by frying the onions. I already have the oil. It's already hot in my pot. I'll put the onions first. Now from here I'm going to add the spring onions, and then I'll let it cook until it turns to golden brown. Just a little bit, because in the rice I had already put salt. And for the rice, I've just boiled the rice only using water and salt, just only that. I did not put any cooking oil in the rice that I had boiled. And then from here we'll be adding our cooked rice into this mixture. It's a very easy recipe that you can try. For the onions, it's not necessary you use the spring and the red onions. You can use any, or you can use both of them. There's no problem still. And then I'll mix that. Okay, now our rice is ready. As you can see from here, you are able to see the green peas, the red, yellow, and green bell pepper, with the carrots, and also the onions. Okay, now the vegetable rice is ready. That is it for today. Kindly do not forget to subscribe, comment, like. Until next time.